It's a 9-storey luxury apartment block, literally on the side of the canal basin in the centre of a residential area in the Paddington basin in London. The section of roofing that came off was on the side that overlooks the basin. So the challenge was how you're going to reach the damaged area, because every roofer that went out came back and said, no, it's a specialist job. It's also to get to the location, you have to go underneath the building. So we had to get an access vehicle that would give us the height we needed to get to, but have a very narrow base. The first part of the job was literally done by harnesses clipped onto the roof so that the guys could literally hang off the side to get the measurements, because the piece that was missing literally bolts underneath the lip of the roof and then wraps around it and bolts onto the top, so you're literally wrapping the whole of the edge of the roof in aluminium.
The area that you actually stand in is probably 4 foot by 2 foot, and you've got the operator in there standing next to you, laughing and joking and moving about, and I'm thinking, don't move too much, because it really doesn't feel that stable at all. And that's when I asked him how high it was. I said, how high does this go? He said, this actually goes 120 feet up in the air. He said, and we're going 105. So it was almost at maximum.
It's not easy, you need to know the right people, but it's simpler to find contractors, surveyors, project managers to do it, but actually organising it and delivering it is the hard part, and that's a real added value at the end. Multiple parties, there's multiple issues, health and safety, CDM regulations, there's so many things that need to be done to satisfy regulations, customers and everyone else, and to actually coordinate that so everyone knows who is doing what and when. Very, very difficult, but very rewarding when you get it right. So the idea is that if you have a complicated job, complicated issue, you hand us the instruction, and at the end of it you'll get an invoice with a very satisfied customer and cost control measured along the way. So it's real added value.